Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
For every good deed we do, God will reward us. If we help the needy, respect our parents, pray, help a blind person cross the road, visit a sick person, and in short, do any good deed, God will reward us. God will even reward a good person who cannot continue doing good deeds due to sickness. God will reward that person because He knows that if that person was not sick, he would do good deeds. One day, one of the faithful men felt really sick and couldn't continue praying to God in a manner similar to as before. The angels who used to write that person's good deeds every day didn't find him in his praying place. They went to God and said, "Oh God, your servant is not in his praying place anymore so that we can write the reward for his good deeds. He fell sick today and couldn't pray like before." God replied to the angels, "Until my servant is sick, write down all the good deeds he used to do when he was healthy in his account."